Dear friends, once again, like our Calora, we have a lot of advantage with our Glymed. You understand our all products, right? Like our Keto, the first time we come out, and Skin C, all products having its own benefit. Fair Soul, even Agnarex, every products we are putting our own something special, some benefits. Like that color also you have studied just now. And even Glymed also, we wanted to give the best to the people. So what I already discussed with you, presentation is very important. And for presentation, detailing is the media. So to the doctors, present in front of our customer is doctor. So to present in front of the doctor, a best detailing is important. So we will discuss and about our detailing, how a model detailing I'll now demonstrate to you. Doctor, freedom from dry skin, we introduce our Glymed, a new products, doctor. Doctor, Medmanner proudly introducing this Glymed that is just not a glycerin alone, doctor. Something beyond that. What we are offering, Glymed, glycerin 15% plus olive oil, doctor. Most of the brands rightly available as a glycerin lotion or soap or anything, doctor. Plain glycerins are available. That is true, doctor. Just 8 to 10% only, doctor. Whereas we are offering 15% we have managed, doctor. Good glycerin effect. That means an excellent moisturizing effect for doctor, we added olive oil also in this. Why, doctor, we added olive oil? You know very well, doctor. The major problem, plain glycerin, some effect will be there. Even less glycerin also, some effect will be there. You know very well. But that will not last long. After 2 hours or something like that, this glycerin effect will come down and people will again dryness may feel. So keeping to that in our mind, when we want to come out this Glymed, doctor, we added olive oil, clubbed with olive oil in that, doctor. So you know very well, doctor, glycerin gives 15% of glycerin we are all giving. That gives a very good effect of moisturizing effect, and to retain that into almost 6 to 8 hours. And if they are going office and all, till coming back, no, doctor, that effect will continue because of olive oil, doctor. So that is the advantage what we are giving compared to the ordinary glycerin lotions are available in the market. A better one, better glycerin 15% and clubbed with olive oil, which give longer duration of effect, doctor. So glycerin 15%, doctor, which gives excellent humectant property and which produces long-lasting hydration, clubbed with olive oil, doctor, which gives long duration of moisturizing effect, plus reduces transdermal water loss. So since it's reducing the water loss, the moisturizing effect will retain there. The moisture will retain there itself, doctor. So longer duration and better moisturizing effect, and with a special advantage, doctor. Please consider Glymed. I request exclusive support for Glymed for your patients. Better benefit, doctor. So please restores and moisturize, maintains with a Glymed, and excellent combination of glycerin 15%, olive oil 0.5%. Please give your exclusive support for glycerin. Kindly pass on this patient to the next patient who need that real moisturizing effect longer time. Thank you very much.